Hello there, and in this video we are naming triangles based on their sides and angles. Let's get started. So remember, the angle types are acute, right, and obtuse. And the triangle types are equilateral, isosceles, and scalene. When naming these angles, obtuse is like the mafia boss.
I'll give you an angle that you can't refuse.
This trumps right and acute, okay? So obtuse, even if there's one out of the three, you'll name it obtuse. Same with right. If it's going right against acute, right will win. It's like the mafia boss's second-hand man.
And that's not someone you want to mess with, right? Right?
So if we look at this triangle here, there are three angles, acute, acute, and right. Well, right trumps acute. So this would be right. And then what type of triangle is it? Well, look at the sides. These two are equivalent, so it's SOS, isosceles. So you would name this triangle a right isosceles triangle. Let's look at these angles. Acute, acute, acute.
They're so cute.
So we know this one is acute. Look at the sides. They're all equivalent to each other based on these tick marks. So this is an acute equilateral triangle. Now let's take a look at this one. We have two acute angles, but one obtuse.
I know, remember, if even one is obtuse, the whole thing is obtuse. You got that?
But we know this is an obtuse triangle. And now let's look at the sides. They're all different. So that is scalene. So this is an obtuse scalene triangle. And now really fast, let's just name the triangle's angles. Looking at this one, acute, acute, acute. The whole thing is acute. Here we have acute, acute, right. Well, remember, right trumps acute. So you name this as a right triangle.
You really want to make sure you name it as a right triangle.
And here we have acute, acute, obtuse.
And that's the big boss. Yeah, that one is obtuse.
Because obtuse trumps all the other angles. So there you go, you have your angles and you have your triangles, and now you're just putting the whole idea together. Good luck.